Hi, good morning. Since my network is pretty much poor, very poor. Yes. Okay, let's just observe the tune of things. Hi, good morning, everyone. Once again, how's everyone doing? Um, I'm trying my best here to understand actually how Price is trying to play the games this morning. Oh, I still have 15th of November there. Oh, that's beautiful. Wonderfully made. Gotta change this now. How do I change it? How the hell do I change it? Okay. It's not coming out too well. Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah. Save. Oh, changed already. Damn. Okay. It's pretty much a very easy market today. Yeah. So from daily, let's just do, top down breakdown. Let's see. Daily, I don't see anything to mark there. Daily is just very confusing. Okay, for 4 hours, I have my resistance, a very important rejection around here, and also another rejection price rejecting this area. And this area is I can't put any marks there unless I zoom in more to see what price is actually trying to do. So looking at 1 hour, I'm gonna mark up and of course perhaps or willingly mark below that level as well. So this price seems to be forming some sort of consolidation, or do I call it range around here, right? So the best thing to do is to wait for a breakout, a viable breakout, so that we can just jump in and out depending on what market permits us to do. Yeah. So if we price happens to break above, let me just use a specific tool to mark out my levels. Yeah. If price breaks above 1966, then we may now that we have volume, London session just opened, so volume definitely is there. We just it's just trying to balance out the market and move accordingly, right? So the break of above, just all I need to see is for this line to be broken. If this this level 19 67.21, if it this particular candle or the next candle breaks it, I may just jump in on an impulse entry to see where price is actually taking me. Yeah. So this is we have about 44 pips range around here. And to the downside, to the left hand side, if I'm going down, I mean, if I'm selling, I'm gonna have about 20 to 27 pips or 28 pips. Yeah. So I don't know if I don't think price may find support around here. Price may find support around here, then to continue going up. Otherwise, if it doesn't find support around here, then we may have price move down all the way to 1958, which is about five 52 additional pips plus 23 pips, which we have targeted for initially. So that's a pretty much good number, I would say. Those are good numbers, yeah. So gold is may give us something good today. Let's just hope. Let's keep our fingers crossed, yeah. So from what gold is doing here is telling me down, 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 but then I'm not convinced yet. I'm not convinced with the downtrend until I see, a vital sign that my price is going to drop. So Dow Jones, I've called the buy signal on Dow Jones. Unfortunately, that's a wrong signal, I would say, because I have some sort of rejection around here, right? So this I would have said, okay, entry above. If price breaks above here, but I directly said entry, and that, and I know some people are going to take this. Unfortunately, they're going to lose. If they take this trade, right? That's quite unfortunate. Yeah. So the game plan here is, on Dow Jones, even though there's no volume on Dow Jones, but I still like, I love the pair a lot. I don't know, for some reasons, I have some strange love for this pair. And at any point in time, if you see setup there, it gives you something. But with volume, you tend to have like, guaranteed, stuff. Go for you right there. See, what is this trying to do? What is this trying to do? Oh God, what's going on right there? Excuse me, guys. I'm looking at something very, very important. Okay, okay, all right. So let me do top-down analysis on Dow Jones so that whoever is interested may actually pick a thing or two. It's very simple. So we have good. Dow Jones has not really moved, gone anywhere since morning. Yeah, it's just, it just market just opened for the day and price started going down. It has not really, tested the upside at all. So it gives me a rough idea that, price may actually push up. But then it's not a guarantee, right? I'm just profit of this, week right here, right, up to the tune of maybe 66 pips. So that is gonna be our resistance right there, and our support. I'm just gonna adjust that up to 10. And then if I zoom into 1 hour, I see there is more adjustment required. But then I'm gonna pretend as though I didn't see that. I'm just gonna zoom into 30 minutes, and of course, that adjustment is definitely required. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. So if we can get a closure, just closure above here, then we are good to take on that, that little, profit around here, which is 55 pips. And I'm not too sure about the sales, but what I could say is, let me have a better look at this too. Just okay. Let's just so price breaks above. If it doesn't break above, I think we have some good opportunity right here. Maybe up to 40 pips. Let's assume 40 pips, right? But then whatever does happen, let's take the market the way it is. I don't like this setup, honestly. I'm not sure I'm going to take this setup after all. I'm not so sure I'm going to take it. So my sales are gonna. I'm not looking out for sales now unless I see the reason to. Yeah, 4 hours is pretty much going up, and this setup here looks like something that just gonna move like foolishly. Move up to fear this because I don't know what's gonna happen anyway. So I better just wait on my, on the process. I better just wait on the process to see where the process is gonna take me actually. Okay, right. So the question is, where is that process gonna take us? Is it gonna take us somewhere nice, somewhere so rosy, or is it gonna just mess us up? Come on, what are you doing, bro? What in the name of bro are you doing? Since I've been screaming about changing this computer, nobody's listening to me. On a very good day, I'm gonna take these downstairs and just burn all of them. It's messing with me, yeah. So actually, guys, we've secured a closure below here, but that was 15 minutes. I don't trust 15 minutes on, unfortunately. Even if price drives to the moon, unfortunately, I'm not going to take any trade unless I secure 30 minutes closure below. Yeah. Even if price drives to the moon, I prefer to lose this chunk of money. Yeah. Than getting in when 30 minutes has not closed. 30 minutes says it all. Yeah. Says everything that we need to know. So if we can secure 30 minutes closure below, then we can zoom into maybe 5 minutes to see the way it's gonna price is gonna react towards here. Perhaps we get in here, telling us that we are safe to go. But if we get in right here and this happens eventually, if it doesn't break low, if it keeps breaking high, see, we are losing. So you just have to wait, just be patient, patiently wait. That's the only game we are playing, right? Game of patience. Golden gold, golden gold, golden gold. Gold is doing something amazing, something pretty much interesting. Yeah. So if you wanna know more about my trading strategy or whatever I used to to trade, perhaps you should consider looking at my below my name. Just up this page you're looking at. Just go there, go below that and see my the link to my inner circle. Maybe it could be useful to someone. Okay, someone that wants to join my inner circle, my group of friends. Share signal every day. Some work out, some doesn't work out. So nobody's perfect, right? So at the end of the day, market does whatever she wants to do. We've seen a closure below, but that is 15 minutes. I'm waiting for 30 minutes to close. Based on the pattern I see after 30 minutes closure, then I'm going to decide on what to do. Right now, now. Let's have a look and see if we have any important news today. All right, AUD is done. Oh, nice. Unemployment claims. What the hell are they claiming, bro? What are they claiming? Oh, nice. This actually was going to work out anyway, so makes sense to see it play out. This was actually the signal I gave out this morning. I shared on my group this morning. The break of this low is going to push price to 1963. Some took it, some took me for granted. So honestly, what I'm actually waiting for to happen here is I want price to come down all the way to this zone, then form some sort of range, and then break. You know, that's what I want. Getting into this area is my top priority. This doesn't happen all the time. Just have to wait for the opportunity. So let's have a holistic cut. I'm not sure why it takes like 100 years to open my page. I'm not sure I get what the hell is happening anymore. Trading view. I'm 100% sure this is not my server. Yes, I wait for close below 1965. I'm waiting for 30 minutes close or below 1965. If I can get that, then I know that the break of that of this 30 minutes, then it's gonna that 30 minutes that actually close below the break of its low is a sell. So right now it's too risky to sell, honestly. So see what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for price to come here. But it seems price has found support around here. I'm not sure. See when we take this down, maybe price found support around here. I don't know. We're gonna find out after the next 30 minutes opens. Once the only criteria for buy here, I mean the only criteria for sell is a closer below, and when we secure a closer below, maybe at this level, and then the week is here, right? So the next candle, whatever it's doing, it needs to break here this week before we can get into a trade to sell. Okay, but the only criteria for buying is the moment this previous 30 minutes is broken, you can get in impulsively for price to continue going up to 1971. So this is the plan I have today. Is it gonna happen? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. If it happens, great. If it doesn't happen, what to do? All right. Eventually, this guy opened. Fine. Fair. 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 Good enough. Let's have a look at GBP because why am I looking at this pair? I'm going to show you why right now. I'm going to show you why. Thank you very much, HB Invest. There was news at 4:30 a.m. At this time, pretty much I was in Jerusalem. I was thinking of how to do something else. So, by the way, I shared a signal on my group yesterday. I didn't talk about this trade so because this is secret, like not secret, it's private, only for my group members. But since I've opened this, it's fine. So at around okay, oh nice, this actually crossed here and got to this point. Oh, nice, it's breaking out all the barriers gradually. At 4:30, this is 4:30, I guess. Yeah, this is 4:30. So this is the impact of this news. The impact of the news at 4:30 actually is how many? Up to 65 pips. Not good enough, I would say. But if I had seen that news, I would be waiting for is to see the possibility of some sort of range around this area, which happened, right? So the break of this range, somewhere here, is going to be my entry for sell, which will continue the swing trade I called on my group. My group, if you want to join my group, I know a lot of you are wondering. If you want to join my group, just look at my bio. You're going to see some sort of link I posted there about my inner circle. Go ahead and join us to have this fun. Yeah. So get in here and price will continue going down. We have four targets, one, two, three, and then final one at 1.889164. This was a trade I called yesterday, and it's doing pretty fine. I'm so happy it's doing fine. This trade I got in, I opened the multiple positions. Multiple, when I say multiple, I mean multiple positions in this trade, and I closed all of them yesterday, and I still opened multiple again and closed again. I mean, it was fun. I opened position here. The moment I saw this is 1 hour. The moment I saw this, I knew this was going to go down anyway, regardless of what. So I opened the position here, took it onto the first problem area, this which is here. Then I got out here, and then I opened another one. I think yeah, I got out here, and then opened another one at the break and got out somewhere here. I think somewhere here, got out somewhere here. So if I had seen this earlier today, I'd have gotten in here. You see, price is still pretty much very bearish. Yeah, price. Man, you're going to see how crazy AUD is. AUD is insane, completely insane. Goes bananas, you know. If you close your eyes and open now, you're just going to see something very tall, something, you know. That's where this guy is, and just make sure you are following the direction. See, I suspected that this guy has found it has found support around here, and it happens to be so. Gold has found support around the 1965 area, 1965 area. So it has turned back. This is actually and also another opportunity for us here. So see what it's doing now. It's pretty much very interesting. It looks very, very interesting right now. So it has gathered liquidity. Some people call it weak out. So it has wicked out some people. And let's see. Break of this high. That means a lot of things, man. Break of that high. It means a lot of things. I may sample some positions at that level anyway. And US30, our Dow Jones is doing pretty fine. I just want this guy to close somewhere around here, somewhere up here, with a candle with this kind of wick. Yeah, then the break of this week, just gonna take it to this level. Just in the morning times, I just prefer to take a little bit of profit, and that's it. In the evening, we die there. In the evening, I'm gonna take a lot. I don't give a damn about whatever is happening. Okay, I'm not happy that I missed this particular entry because I got out of this tree eventually. I mean, it's not negotiable, man. Came down again and managed to get up. So it's gonna manage again. So it's just gonna go in steps as a trend until it hits down. So it's not negotiable. Anyway, there's gonna be another opportunity. Don't get in now. If you are interested, don't get in now. There's going to be another opportunity. It could break low and then come back again, then get in. That's your key. Don't need to waste your hard earned money on nothing. So I'm closing this out. I mean, we're not looking at we're not looking at it anyway. So what's the need of having it open? So notice what happened there. This area is a very strong point. Very strong resistance is happening here. A very, very important area. That is why price broke above but couldn't stay close above. Rejection is happening around there. Something we call rejection, yeah? It's happening there. So you gotta be careful before you enter position on Dow US30. Now my criteria for taking position on gold just changed. I don't like this setup. Anywhere I have this, I mean, if I should have this pin bar, I prefer, something pin bar that is standardized. You know what I mean by standardized? Let me something like this, yeah. If I should have pin bar like this, continue going. The break of this, I'm just gonna enter with my stop loss below that pin bar, and then that's like week, long week, right? And then I'm just gonna expect my profit the other way around. Definitely, I know if I have this, and if this candle continues moving up, get in somewhere around here or even above here, and take a profit in the next line. I mean, it's pretty much very simple. You don't need to stress yourself for nothing. Yeah, no stress required. But right now, yeah, it's tough decision. Very, very tough. I'm gonna head out pretty much soon. Let me see. Honestly, I mean, just take home for everyone. The price has broken above here, right? And it has come down to the test. Yeah, found support around here. It has turned. Yeah. So the break of this candle, just buy, expect price to come to hit 1971. Yeah, it's pretty much very simple. This is, I mean, it's a process. You should follow it. It's a process. Don't sleep on it. It's a process. It's a process. If you lose, it's okay. If you lose the trade, it's okay. But follow the process all the time. If you lose, then it's part of the learning. Find out why you lost and amend it. Make amends, right? So regardless of how the candle looks, I'm going to follow the process because we have an already laid down process. So this is it. 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 So the break of above. Okay, price tag for people who would ask eventually. So these are the three most important price tag at the moment. Here we go. Here we go. The most important price tag of the morning. 971.57 for buys as TP, and 967.39 as entry, and 964.62 as stop loss. Viola, what else are you looking for? We've called a signal today. Whatever happens, it's entirely up to you how you manage your risk. Either you make profits or you lose. How much you make and how much you've lost, or you're gonna lose or you lose. It's entirely up to you. You on YouTube? Oh yes, I'm on YouTube. Beavers 2736. Yes, but goodbye today. Today, I'm not calling today signal. I'm calling now signal. I'm calling now signal for now at the moment, right? Based on what price is doing, then we call a signal. That's actually what we are doing. I just called now signal, not today signal, because price can change any moment. Based on what I'm seeing on my screen, I'm seeing on this screen. That's how I call it, right? Yes, I'm on YouTube, PPP Drahams, okay? That's my YouTube handle. And if you are interested in joining my inner circle, the handle is Kingsley's Friends. I don't know where I kept my phone, by the way. The hell is my phone? Oh, wait. Sorry, guys. I gotta go look for my phone outside my room. Apologies. Be back shortly. Hi, my dears. I'm sorry I cannot post my link on TradingView. Unfortunately, sorry, guys. I am not allowed to post any link on TradingView, unfortunately. So if you want to see my link, please click on my name and then you're going to see join my inner circle for free. It's even under here, just right under here. It's right oh below. Just look below, look at Kingsley Lotana, and then join my inner circle is the next thing you see. Just right there, right there. Yeah, under there. Yeah. Let me know when you see that. me cash. So it makes sense. Whoa, I love this. I love this. Okay, all right. You have to be very conservative, guys. Only risk this trade only when you can afford it. If you can't afford it, leave it alone. More better opportunities are coming. If you weigh your stop loss and it's way big, leave it alone. It means you cannot afford it. Okay. Stop loss to take profits here is about 1.39%, the ratio. Yeah. So if it's not something you can do, risk reward ratio, I would say, not something you can do, leave it alone. But yeah, okay. I'm not in this trade anyway. I'm not in this trade right now, but it's potential. Oh, this year I'm in this trade. This one, US30, that's Dow Jones. I'm there already. Gold, nope, not yet. Please, out of these two, take only one, guys. Please, out of these two trades, take only one. I'm taking US30 now. I'm not gonna take gold. Gold is no for me because I'm already in this one, and they seem to be slightly correlated, so it doesn't make sense if you follow both of them, right? So have a look at my setup Bible. So I keep sharing this every day. Just go here. If you want to know how I think, whether I think well or not, get over here. This document is going to tell you everything you need to know about how I think. Yeah, whether I'm smart or a dumb or a zombie, you're going to know from here. Yeah, go to this tab, Setup Bible. You're going to see a couple of trades that I've taken, lots of trades that I used to build my strategy. So you're going to see setups, like a lot of setups. These are the only trades that I take. If you watch out now, the trade I'm taking now, US30. Let me show you guys this one of them. Yeah, US30 that I'm taking. I want a break. I'm looking for a replica. One moment. Yeah, something like this. See, we had some sort of break, and then the break of that candle that broke the high. See that? That is it. Yes, similar. This is way more similar. Yeah. So you just want to see a break, and then the break of that break is your thing, it's your guy. So just be careful on the kind of trades you take. Just go through and see my setup Bibles and begin to mimic the same setup. Just begin to look out for same setup. It's gonna work for you, trust me. Just look out for this setup and this setup alone. You're gonna be super rich. You're gonna move to Dubai and live in Dubai with me. I can meet every single day for our lives to drink coffee and tea in an expensive cafeteria. Okay, so if you want, I can't put this link unfortunately. Just join my group. If you're not able to get my group, it's pretty much, oh, gold is not doing well, but it's okay. This is, I got into this position by the way, guys. Before I started the stream, I got in here, somewhere here. I got in somewhere here, and price is pushing now. Let's see how far we can go. So just in case if you're wondering what is his um uh, Telegram channel, this is it. Yeah, please, trading view, don't block me for doing this. Honestly, search for Kingsley's friends. Yeah, this will give you. This will land you in my channel. Just search for Kingsley's friends on Telegram, or simply click the link. below my profile to be able to join my friends. Okay? It's pretty much simple. Oh, gold is turning, taking a turn. This seems to be endless. These are like pure opportunities, opportunities. If you understand how it works, then you can actually take them and have fun with them. Yesterday, while I was streaming, I called a shot. I called a trade, and this trade, there is no how I would have known that price would have gone in that direction if I wasn't experienced. So I saw a move. I think I should open that. I should open it up here so I can talk about it. Yeah, yeah. This is the trade. Yeah, this is the trade. So seeing that, if you remember, I mentioned it with 5 minutes. So you, excuse me. Yeah. So this is it. I'll this entire noise happened. Yeah, this whole thing happened. None of these candles were able to break. Yeah, to break into this zone. And this one candle after the news, formed, created this week and went down and closed below here. It makes sense to open a trade here for price to continue going down, and that's the reason I did. And I targeted the nearest problem area, which is this area. And guess what? This area remained a problem area because guess what? It became a problem area again. The price came back and kept visiting it until this morning. Price is still visiting it. So it makes sense to understand how these things work. If you understand how these things work, then you don't have any issue. I hope I'm not going to lose this trade. Oh, looks very, very nice. Beautiful thing to do. If price, honestly, uh, this thing caught me off guard. This boils down to what I said initially. Wait for a closure. If we are able to get 30 minutes closure in this zone, guys, forget it. Price is gonna go crazy. If we can get 30 minutes closure in this zone, price will move. Let me have a look at daily. Price is gonna move so much, guys. If we are able to get 30 minutes closure above here, it's gonna go all the way, maybe to just this week even. It may even push it this week and go up all the way. But I don't expect much. This is morning, right? So I don't expect much. London just opened, so there's no much expectations from my end. Because I've always known that all these things don't move well in London, but they move. The volume comes in, but the move is not as much as New York stock market open, stock exchange or whatever it's called. So this is not doing anything substantial. So we're going to take a judgment call at 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. At 1 p.m., we'll decide whether we'll just close this pending order or we should continue. Yeah. So let me leave this channel open for now. Let's see. I'm going to leave this at gold so that you can have good visibility on what price is doing. But I feel price should actually cross there. Excuse me. Because it has broken out of this zone, right? This has broken out. If I were awake when this thing was happening, this would have been a very fantastic entry. Very nice entry right there. Entry here. Then take profits below here. I mean, sorry, buy here, stop loss below here, and take profit in the next problem area, which I see is this. Yeah, price got here, right? That's 46, 43 pips. set up Bible, just join my group and ask. If you can't find it on my group, just ask and you will get it, okay? And my only advice to everyone is once there is news, get the hell out of markets before the news. It got me 2 days ago. I got hurt, man. I got hurt, like seriously hurt 2 days ago. I literally shed tears 2 days ago. Yeah, that's how terrible I felt. Felt so terrible. And this AC is too cold. Get off it. See, one thing about this kind of setup is if you fail to set your entry right, fail to set your entry right, because before you know what's happening, right, sorry about that, guys. Well, it's. I feel as if I'm forcing this trade. I don't. I mean, this US30. I have a feeling I feel like I'm forcing it. And some other thing in me is telling me to leave it until price closes below this zone. Sell is not coming. But the process I have tells me that this is right. Yeah. So let's hang on in there to see if if something special is gonna happen. You know what I mean? Perhaps there's a push coming. If the push doesn't come at 1 o'clock, we decide. Decision time is 1 o'clock. So everyone be ready for that decision time. Come on now, why would this happen to me, man? But it's not coming. What to do? There's no volume, guys. There's no volume. There's no volume. No freaking volume, man. What the hell is this? I don't see volume, man. This is not breaking enough. It's It's not giving me enough vibes, man. I want to see something. I want to see some push. It's happening, guys. It's happening. I told you guys. Before you know what's happening, this guy is on TP. It's hitting TP already. It's happening already. Yeah. TP is gonna be hit soon. TP is gonna be hit soon. I know. Just in case you're watching, just try as much as possible to like my streaming channels, okay? Whether be it Trading View or YouTube, just make sure you like a lot. Just like as much as you can. Like something, just like something there. Because the more you like, the more I'm encouraged and the more people get to know about me, right? So the only thing you can give me is by liking. There's no volume. There's no volume, man. I don't see volume in the market today. Not today. This morning, I don't see the volume at all. I don't see the volume, but guys, take note of the price tag. Just take note of it. That's all. That's all you need to do. All you need to do is just to take note of it, and of course, track this later to find out if we actually made the profits or not. Okay, it's very very important that you do that because this is the only thing that is going to give you the encouragement to either keep joining us or to abandon us along the way, right? So, apologies, guys. I'm looking at something. Oh my God! I forgot. I forgot. How can I forget this? Super important. Seems after this thing may not be able to go through. I don't know. Maybe it may or may not be able to go through. I don't know. Whatever it wants to do, whatever it wants to do, let it do. Let's see. Let's see that. Yeah. If you have not opened any position here, just move your entry to this level. But if you've opened, it's fine. Leave it alone and make sure you have your stop loss below here. Okay. I'm gonna prefer to have my entry above here honestly because this week I don't trust it. And there's no volume. I mean that's the worst part of it. So why am I even on this trade? Yeah, that's the question. Why the hell am I opening up position when there's no volume? I think guys we can call it a day, but let's wait for 1 p.m. to hit us before we take decision on that. But man, don't spoil, okay? Still have some crazy use for you. Just relax. You're still new. How you doing? I need to use you, man. I need to take my money from you. I mean, come on. Think I'm just gonna buy you and dump you? I need to use the life out of you, bro. 1 hour gold is looking pretty much fine. So if this guy closes above here, the brick, you may see some speed. But let's see. I don't know what's gonna happen today, but I've seen that a lot. So if it doesn't happen today, it's okay. It's allowed here. So this is my strategy, my exit game here. Okay, because while playing, if you see that you're not getting the volume you want to get, and for you to exit successfully without losing a lot of money, so you have to have some sort of exit strategy as well, not just entry strategy. Okay, so my exit game is going to be the moment price the new 30-minute forms and breaks below this previous 30 minutes. I'm going to exit this. I'm not going to wait for price to hit my SL. Yeah. And I'm liking the way gold actually closed. I'm liking it so much. Oh, without wick, this is more dangerous than stop loss. If you have your position open, I mean, at my initial entry level, please, it makes sense if you can close it. Please close it. I don't trust this. I don't trust it, honestly. Any candle without wick is not my friend. Okay. So, if you are on this trade, absolutely on your own. Remember, this trade never existed on my diary. Okay, that's the game. The game is to close this when it hits below. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I think it makes sense if I just, yeah, it's heading there. It makes sense if I actually hold on until evening. Just close this shit and get the hell out. That's the only sensible thing to do. But it's not happening yet, man. If you wanna cross that area, I have my magic key, so I better use magic key then. My magic key. Do you know about this magic key? Magic key. Can you see it properly, guys? Magic key. That's the right there at the back. Magic key. Yeah. So with this, it's easy for me to open positions. Just if I just click, pam, it opens, pam, closes. Don't need to use mouse to play around anything. Yeah. So I'm gonna use magic key to close my positions. Close, Sabibi. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. So we're done with this. This wasn't the best decision ever. You know what's going to be better decision? What's going to be a better position decision is to see how this reacts. I mean, on your own, because I'm not going to be there for to guide you guys, right? I'm going to be back in the evening, so I need to do a couple of things now. I'm going to head off now, but it makes sense. Just take note, okay? Let me do a very, very strict analysis here. You know what you can do for yourself? Forget about this. This is just going to be noise, yeah? You may get a very long candle with volume here. It may come all the way here and then form some sort of range and move back again. You just have to be absolutely careful around this area. You have to be, okay? It's only safe. Honestly, it's not safe to sell. It's not safe to sell. So even here, it's not safe to sell as well because there's a lot of noise around here. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is, my God, what the hell are you guys gonna sell? So guys, join me in the afternoon when I at New York markets, New York stock exchange open. Let's actually analyze this because right now I can't tell you to buy, I can't tell you to sell because there's nothing I can see. I can't see buys, I can't see sells. All I see is rejections everywhere. Yeah. And for this, my good friend, the buys I see, the value I see buying is more than the value I see selling. Okay, because price came all the way to this zone, got rejected, then retested this level, formed the range, broke out, and went on onto this resistance here. So if you zoom in, you're going to see is a kind of valid resistance. Why? Because even the initial stop was also a valid resistance because it's a problem area. The same thing is applicable to this. It's a problem area, so you better respect problem area. See, look at what comes with that problem area. A lot of problems happening there. So what am I trying to say here? I'm trying to tell you that price most likely, because that area is a problem area, may most likely go back there. Okay, because it came down here, wanted to move up, couldn't, came down again to this level, it tested this level, and then price rejected it now, and then it broke above this level. That's my marker. Broke above this level, and then retested the break, broke above, and is heading up here. It's gonna keep retesting, breaking until it gets to this level. So you might wanna like leave the position open, it's fine, but make sure you have a defined stop loss. Yeah, have a defined stop loss so that if price is not respecting our analysis, then you can easily exit the trade. That is the only thing you could actually do for yourself. Yeah. So apart from this, I think my time right now on the screen is up. I need to go do other things with my life because I'm not just trading alone. I have other things that I do. Yeah. Okay. Take care, everyone. Thanks for joining today. I hope today works out for all of us. Okay. I wish you guys all the best. Take care. Bye.